Okay, it's like the real big first rain kind of thing here where I live in the middle of Phoenix. There's a monsoon season, and I'm happy, and I'm Spazz is happy. Whose lens is dirty. Better. It just happened. My sister told me to go outside, and then I came out and said, it's raining, and then Spazz. And I'm happy. This is Monsoon, into the skies, come bring the rain, wind and storm, on the Okie dokie. Alright, so now I'm gonna go check on the dogs in the back. I Spazz and run back and forth to the house like 3 times already. Hello. Doggy! Hi you! You guys are all wet! You guys are all happy! Happy for the rain! Hi you! Hi Oopsie! Oopsie! Judy! Here's our Judy! You guys are being good girls? You guys are being good, right? Good girl. How about you, Zooey? Come on, take a look at what's going on over here. Let's see. Yay! And she's her plant. Ooh! Bob's the zombie. Yeah, here you go. We planted a tree way in that corner, and then he died. He got burnt from the sun because it was too hot when we planted him, and he died. And then, like a couple months ago, he came back to life, and he's this tiny little itty bitty thing right there. And we're all happy because now he's like a 1 foot tall maybe. And we're just happy because now he's alive again. And then this is doghouse that we built, except it rained about the day after we built it. We didn't get to paint it, so suddenly it's all warped. We did it monsoon season. Ha! First monsoon of the season. And then dry spot. And then this is them two finding dry spots. Happy for rain. And that one is our newest tree. I think we named him either Filiberto or Alejandro. I don't remember which one right now. Spazz. Yeah. Oh, happy. You know, I better leave the water out. Oh. Now I need to collect water. Rainwater. Fresh rainwater for doggy. It's probably not that good all the way out here in the middle of Phoenix, actually. Oh, happy. Good girls. Oh, Zooey. She likes her house. Lucky, don't be licking the camera. Zooey. Ew. Monsoon season is also shedding season for all animals here. 1,000,000 degrees. And I better go back before it's all muddy and I can't go nowhere. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Zooey. Horsey.